What's up, guys? Steve here for Break. We're getting ready for 2 breaks tonight. We're going to do our teams for the first one. It is 5-box mini break, 721. Actually, pretty nice lineup for our $20 entry fee. We are live. Good luck. We got one box to chase the greats in here. Let's hope it's a good one. It is 948. And there's your names: Jonathan, down to Tony, and Anaheim to Winnipeg. So let's start with the teams. Good luck, folks. 1, 2, 3 is the time stamp. Timestamp on 3, 948, 948, and last and final on teams. Copy them over. It is 949 and 949. Let's copy these over. Carolina, top spot. Philly at the halfway mark. So remember, every team is accounted for in Chase the Greats. So regardless of the team you got, you should have it. You should still have it hit in Chase the Greats. And Edmonton to San Jose. There's teams. Let's match up some names. 949 on the clock. And here's names. 1, 2, 3. Is concept. Timestamp on 3. 949. 949. Last and final. Let's get your last and final timestamp. It is 949. 950. Time to copy these over. Ron Barr, top spot. Kenny, the halfway mark. Then we got Chad down to Doug. Here's your team, guys. We'll see you in about 10 minutes for this break.